Yo, what up? This is another video for the channel. I'm gonna try to do these like a quick tip in like 1 minute. Maybe try to like make it a little more appealing for like to give this a chance. So essentially, the tip I got for today is constraints create. Is the thought I had of myself in the basement today. And essentially, what that means is that like rules aren't a way of telling what you can't do; they are a way of telling what you can do. So constraints allow you to create. So my example is like football. Football is not based on all the things that they do, all the things that spawn from football, like the offense, defense, special teams, all those different things. They came from the rules and the objectives are just rules too. Like you only get 7 points or 6 points if you run a touchdown. You only get 1 point if you kick a field goal after a touchdown. You only get 3 points if you kick a field goal if you haven't scored a touchdown. Punt return, da da da. All of the constraints of football are the reason that the greatness is created. So that's my 1 minute quick tip. Peace out. Thank you for watching.